मुंबई एक्सप्रेस न्यूज में आप सभी का स्वागत है।
So this is Mumbai Express coming to you live from the Infinity Mall Malad, where I have the CEO himself of the mall, who's agreed to speak to us in regards the mall opening. So Mr. Mukesh, in the first place, congratulations on the opening of the mall, and our viewers would just like to know as to what are the precautionary methods that you all are being taken to accept our customers inside the mall.
Thank you very much, and thank you for having me in the show. We have taken all the new normal that we call that today is about safety norms. So there are government has prescribed some very stringent safety norms, and we all agreed to it. Number one is that when you come to the mall, you have to make sure that you're wearing a mask all the time. From the time you enter and you exit, you have to wear the mask all the time. The social distancing is also very, very important. So when you enter the mall, you have to maintain that 6 feet distance, right from starting from the queue, when you queue up to get into the mall, to the washroom, to the shops, everywhere you have to maintain that distance. Escalator, lift, all these have the similar norms. Shops, what we have made sure that you have the limited capacity. We have a standard norm of 75 square feet per person for any shop, including the mall. So we are capping that number. So in case we reach a limited number to the mall, we have to stop the entries, and same thing goes for the mall as well. We are trying to do all the contactless services, whether you talk about hand sanitization, your wash basin in the bathroom, your ordering or payment, all these we are trying to do everything contactless. That's the whole protocol that we have taken, and we are very happy that most of the people coming to the mall, they have no objection. They are all supporting all this, and so for the interaction what you have with the people, they all appreciating all this.
So could you guys give us some idea on what's going to happen regarding the food court and your multiplexes?
That's still a challenge, because these two are very integral part of the mall. Whether you talk about the food court, restaurants, multiplex, or family entertainment center, they're very, very integral part of the mall. So far, we have not been allowed to operate. We are still talking to the government. We're hoping that a food court should start by middle of this month. That's our hope. That's what we have been making representation to the authorities. And multiplex also similarly, I think we're hoping by first week of September it should be operational. They all have their own SOPs in place. They've taken all precautions. They also work in the government as an association, as a body, and same with us. We have been working in the government to make sure that all these gets operational as soon as possible.
And in case if you do have a COVID patient inside the mall, what are those precautions that you all are being taken?
When you enter the mall, we have this, we check the temperature, we also check the Arogya Setu. Of course, it's not mandatory, but we have been encouraging people to at least come with the Arogya Setu app. So we check that, we check the temperature. If it is below a certain number, we don't allow the customer. And in case there is something like this really happens, we have an isolation room, we have an oxygen cylinder, we have an oximeter to check all this. Then we also have an ambulance on call, which stays just close to the mall. So within 5 minutes, we'll have a mall, person can be taken to the hospital.
One more last question for you, sir, is in regards to your manning. Are you all following the protocol laid down by the government?
Yes, we are. In fact, that's what I said. Then we have capping of number of people coming to the mall, and same thing also with the staff. What we have done, we also doing only one shift with 50% capacity. Not only in the mall, even in the stores have been advised very similar number that you only work at 50% capacity. In the parking, we reduced to 50% of the current numbers what we have.
Well, Mr. Mukesh Kumar, thank you very much for your time. It was our pleasure talking to you from Mumbai Express, and I wish you all the very best. This is Mumbai Express coming to you live from the In-Orbit Mall, Malad West. And I have with me Mr. Vikas Sethi, who's also the mall head, and who will be just giving us a brief explanation in regards the precautionary methods that they are going to take inside the mall. Well, a very good morning to you, Vikas, and I would just like to ask you, in the first place, I would like to congratulate you all for the reopening of the mall. Okay, and just like to ask you, what are the precautionary methods you all are going to take in regards the sanitation process?
Hi, thank you so much. Thank you, and thank you for coming in. Well, once the malls have started now, since yesterday, we have got a lot of precautionary measures which have been in place. To begin with, you must have checked at the security entrances that we are checking the temperature of all the customers walking in. We have placed the hand sanitizers at all the touch points where we feel the customer movements are higher. Once you're inside, you will see all the railings and the escalator railings and other touch points like elevator buttons have been regularly sanitized. We have got floor stickers placed at the key locations to ensure that social distancing has been maintained. Social distancing marks has been done on the escalators as well, so that people maintain gaps while using the escalators. So much so that even the water coolers are now, the taps have been made touchless, so people don't have to touch it. It's all working on sensor based. So these all measures have been taken in place to ensure that people are safe and secure while they are doing their shopping. Yes.
You all do have these multiplexes as well as the food courts. Have they opened up as well?
No, as per the government directive, multiplexes, food court and gaming zone, they are not yet been allowed to start their operations.
One more question, Mr. Vikas. In case if you do have a COVID patient in your mall, what are the precautions you all are taking in regards to that?
Right. So as I was mentioning you that how we are going and checking the temperature. So the moment if we feel that somebody who's coming from outside does not clear the temperature check, we serve them some water and we request them to wait at the waiting area, which has been made at all the entrances. And after 10 minutes or 15 minutes, we go for a temperature check again until they clear that, only then would they be allowed. With regards to a COVID case, we have made a separate isolation room. That is a provision which has been made not only for our customers but even for our staff who have been working with all the retailers inside the mall. And then once the isolation room has been, the guy has been moved to the isolation room, then we take this forward along with the authorities.
What about your strength of the staffing? Do you have the full strength or is it half and half?
No, so we are very clear. I mean, we are ensuring to maintain bare minimum staffing. Let it be my housekeeping team, my security, even the retailers. We all are working by dividing our teams into batches. So there would be a and a B team for a small store, or maybe A, B and a C team for the big retailers. And then we are ensuring that, after a few days, the second team comes in and the third team comes in thereafter. And the first team is getting like a gap of at least good 7 to 8 days or 10 days also at times.
What about all the various shops that are there in the mall? Are they going to follow the same precautions like you?
Of course. So the rules and regulations have been set considering we as a mall management and the retail partners both supporting this cause. They are also ensuring that their staffs are wearing masks regularly. Social distancing has been maintained inside the stores. They are also providing sanitization. Regular fumigation of the stores has been done on a daily basis. So all the precautions have been taken up by them as well.
Well, Mr. Vikas, thank you very much for your time and I wish you all the best.
Thank you very much.